Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. If you're planning to buy a new air conditioner, you may have come across two popular options, cassette AC and split AC. Both use the same basic refrigeration cycle, but they are designed for different applications. So, which one is better? Which AC provides better cooling, saves more electricity, and offers better value for your money? In today's video, I'll compare cassette AC and split AC in simple language so you can choose the right system for your home or business. Let's get started. What is a split AC? A split AC consists of two units, an indoor unit mounted on the wall and an outdoor unit installed outside the building. The indoor unit supplies cool air directly into the room, while the outdoor unit removes the heat to the outside environment. Split ACs are most commonly used in homes, apartments, bedrooms, offices, and small shops. What is a cassette AC? A cassette AC is also a split-type air conditioner, but the indoor unit is installed inside a false ceiling instead of on a wall. Only the decorative front panel is visible from below. Most cassette ACs distribute air in four directions, four-way airflow, allowing the room to cool more evenly than a standard wall-mounted split AC. They are commonly used in offices, restaurants, conference rooms, hotels, classrooms, showrooms, and commercial buildings. Installation comparison. A wall-mounted split AC is generally easier and less expensive to install. A cassette AC requires a false ceiling, additional ceiling space, and proper drainage planning. Because of the ceiling installation and extra work involved, cassette AC installation is usually more complex and costly. Cooling performance. Both systems can provide excellent cooling when they are correctly sized. However, the airflow pattern is different. A split AC blows air mainly in one direction, although the swing function helps distribute it around the room. A cassette AC blows air in multiple directions from the center of the ceiling, providing more uniform temperature distribution in larger spaces. For large open rooms, a cassette AC often delivers more even cooling. Energy efficiency. Modern inverter versions of both split ACs and cassette ACs are designed to be energy efficient. The actual electricity consumption depends on factors such as room size, cooling load, temperature setting, insulation, hours of operation, and equipment efficiency. A properly sized inverter AC, whether cassette or split, can operate efficiently. Choosing the correct capacity is more important than simply choosing one type over the other. Noise level. Wall-mounted split ACs are usually very quiet because the indoor blower is designed for residential use. Cassette ACs are also relatively quiet, but because they are often installed in larger commercial spaces with higher airflow requirements, they may produce slightly more indoor airflow noise, depending on the model and fan speed. In both systems, the compressor remains outside, keeping indoor noise much lower than window ACs. Maintenance. A split AC is generally easier to clean and service because the indoor unit is easily accessible on the wall. A cassette AC requires ceiling access for maintenance. Cleaning filters, servicing the drain system, and inspecting internal components may take more time compared to a wall-mounted split AC. Regular maintenance is important for both systems to maintain cooling efficiency. Cost comparison. In general, a split AC is less expensive to purchase and install. A cassette AC usually costs more because of ceiling-mounted design, larger indoor unit, more complex installation, and commercial-grade applications. The higher price doesn't necessarily mean better cooling. It simply reflects its intended use and installation requirements. Which one should you buy? Choose a split AC if you want to cool a bedroom or living room. You need an affordable solution. You don't have a false ceiling. You want easier maintenance. Choose a cassette AC if you have a large office or commercial space. You already have a false ceiling. You want even air distribution in all directions. You need professional cooling for large open areas. Selecting the correct AC capacity is essential, regardless of the type you choose. Final verdict. There is no universal winner because both systems are designed for different purposes. For most homes, apartments, and small offices, a wall-mounted split AC is usually the best choice because it is cost-effective, energy-efficient, easy to install, and simple to maintain. For commercial buildings, restaurants, conference rooms, hotels, and large open spaces, a cassette AC is often the better option because it provides more uniform airflow and blends neatly into a false ceiling. The best AC is the one that matches your room size, budget, installation conditions, and cooling requirements. Conclusion: both cassette ACs and split ACs are reliable cooling systems when properly selected and professionally installed. Before buying any air conditioner, always consider the room size, cooling load, installation location, energy efficiency, warranty, and after-sales service, not just the price. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.